Guys, please, are you with me? Yeah. We are in example 5, page 200. 200. The question said, solve the system of equations by graphing, but we will solve it by algebra. Okay? So here we have y equal x power 2 and x equal 1 over 2 with y minus 6 all power 2 plus 6 over 5 plus 6 over 5. Okay, done. Now here we have two equations. The first one, y equal x power 2. The second one, x equal half of y minus 6 all power 2 plus 6 over 5. I will call this equation 1 and I will call this equation 2. 2. I will substitute 1 and 2. So I'll replace y and put what? X to the power of 2. So x equal half with, in a place of y, we will replace it by x power 2 minus 6 all power 2 plus 6 over what? Over 5, right? Now by graphing, look at step 1, they graph equation 1, then step 2, graph equation 2. Now, if you graph the two equations, the solutions will be, if you have this curve, for example, and this line, okay? If you have intersection, these are the solutions. So by graphing, how we know the solutions? The intersections between the two curves, right? Now, how we solve this equation now? To solve this equation, you need to get rid of this power 2 by what? By what? Dividing? Dividing what? You need to simplify this equation. To simplify means to multiply this parenthesis by itself, right? By itself. So x power 2 minus 6 multiply x power 2 minus 6. It will be long 1. And the power will be what? 4. X power 4. If you see the graphing, look at the graph. See the graph? The first one, y equal x power 2. It's a graph. Look here. We have y equal x power 2, right? In your graph, you have this one, and you have what? This for what? We know the parabola, y equal x power 2, we know that. The second equation, which is x equal half y minus 6 all power 2 plus 6 over 5. Here you need to make table. See the table? See the table, guys? This table, for example, for equation 2, after you graph, you will have two intersection points someplace here, here and here. See them? These are the two solutions for the system. Now, why I cannot solve it for now algebraically? Because as I told you, here you have x to the power what? 2. وعليها power 2 صارت x to the power 4. X power 4, we did x power 2 until now. We solved the quadratic equations, right? Later on, we will know how to solve x power 4. Not now. Now we only use a graphing, okay? I won't ask you about the graphing of systems. I won't ask you about the graphing of systems. Done? Done. Done. Now, they wrote for you the relations intersect at the two solutions, 2, 4, and 3, 9. It's okay. Done. Let's see the check. Solve the system of equations y equal minus x power 2, 3y. I will solve this check. I can solve this check algebraically. Let's solve it together. Use your copybook, please. Use your copybook. So we are in the check, page what? 201. We have y equal y equal minus x power 2 plus 5x plus minus 6. And we have a 3y equal x power 2 minus x minus 6 also, right? These are the two equations in one system. You have one system here. Here you have y and here you have what? 3y, right? Now you have two ideas, or you have two choices. You can make the 3y as y, then put these equal. Or you can make the y to be what? 3y. Got it? Again, how we make the 3y as y? We divide the whole equation by what? 3, right? So here will be y and here will be y. And y equal y means this equal this, right? صح? Or how I make y to be 3y? I will multiply up by 3. Then we have a 3y here and a 3y here. Then these two are also equal. What's the easiest for us? To make a 3y or to make y a 3y? Huh? If you make it 3y, here you will have 1 over 3. Here you will have negative 1 over 3. Fractions, right? Fractions, and it will make for you, it's a little bit difficult. Not impossible to solve, but difficult. So what I will do, guys, I will make this y as 3y. So I'll multiply the whole equation here by what? By 3. Let's multiply it by 3. So this equation, if I multiply it by 3, it will be 3y equal minus 3x power 2 plus 15x, right? Minus what? 18. صح? Now 3y equal what? 3y. Means this expression here is the same of this expression here, right? So put them equal, because 3y equals 3y, then negative 3x power 2 plus 15x minus 18 should be equal to what? To what? To x power 2 minus x minus 6, right? صح? See? What? I'm going to make it a quadratic equation. If you know x, you can know y. So I cannot solve with two variables. I need one variable. Now look here. We have x power 2. Do we know how to solve x power 2? Yes, quadratic. Got it? Now what we will do, put this, all of it here, and make this side what? 0. So here minus a 3x power 2, minus a 3x power 2 plus 15x minus 18 minus x power 2 plus x plus 6 all equal what? 0. I'm preparing my equation. Now combine the like terms. Minus a 3x power 2 minus 1x power 2 like terms, right? Minus a 3x power 2 minus 1x power 2 minus 4. So we have minus 4x power 2. Gone? 15x plus x plus 16x. طيب. Minus 18 plus 6 minus 18 plus 6 negative 12 all equal what? 0, right? Ax power 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. We can use our methods, quadratic formula, factoring. Can we get rid of this negative 4? Yes. Divide all the equation by negative 4. It's your choices, by the way. انت حر يعني. Or delta or whatever انت بدك اياه يعني. Done? Now divide all the equation by negative 4. Why I will divide? Because I can. All the numbers here can divide by negative 4. What you have here now? X power 2 positive minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Factorize. X minus 1, x minus 3. So you have two solutions for x. X equal 1 and x equal, sorry, 3. Okay? So I will repeat what I did here, guys. Please focus with me. I have this system. I have this system, okay? This system has y equal and has a 3y equal, right? I want them to put them equal. I made y to be what? 3y, so to be equal like this one. So 3y equal 3y means this expression equal to this expression. I made it here. Now I simplify my equation until I have small simple quadratic equation. I can solve it easily by factoring, right? Now what I will do, I will find the values of x, then I go back to find the values for what? For y, مش هيك؟ فاهم؟ فاهمين؟ Yeah. Now let's go. We have x minus 1, x minus 3 equals 0. So what are the values of x here? X equal 1 and x equal 3. So here x minus 1 equals 0 means x equal 1 and x minus 3 equals 0. So x equal 3. I have two solutions for x means I will have two solutions for y, right? So let's take x equal 1 and find y. What's y equal? نقلني إياها. Y equal what? Don't use the 3y. Look here. Here you have y equal and the 3y. You can use both to find y. But here you will divide by 3 at the end. But here no need to divide by 3. It's ready, right? So y equal what? أيوة. Minus 6. I have two solutions for x. Don't forget them. The first one, x equal 1. So at x equal 1, y equal what? Minus 1 power 2 plus 5 by 1 minus 6 equal negative 1, 4 minus 6 minus 2, right? I minus 2. Watch the video. Yeah. So here the first solution is what and what? What and what? 1 and negative 2. Now at x equal what? At x equal 3, with the second solution, replace x by 3. Y equal negative 3 power 2 plus 5 by 3 minus 6, negative 9 plus 15, 6 minus 6, 0, right? So what we have here, the second solution is 3 and 0. So we have two solutions. Done. I will back here to repeat the whole idea together. Now here you have this system, okay? This system, you have y equal and the 3y equal. I need to replace and substitute. Y is not equal to 3y. You have two choices. You can make y as a 3y by multiplying by 3 as I did. And you can make a 3y as y by dividing by 3. But here if you divide by 3, you will have 1 over 3 a lot, right? So it will be confused a little bit. So here I multiply this equation by 3y to make y as 3y. So 3y equals something and the 3y equals something. So these two things should be what? Equal. Why? Because if I tell you that a equal 5 and b equal 6, a equal 5 and b equal to c, what c should be? Again, if a equal 5 and b equal to a, b will be 5. So because a 3y equal 3y, then this expression here equal this expression here. I did that. Now I simplify until I get my small simple quadratic equation. Why I want to get this? Because I know how to solve, right? We took ideas for. Here, if you didn't divide by negative 4, it's okay. Use delta. عادي. If you use delta and the quadratic form, you'll get the same numbers, okay? This is the idea. If you find the values of x, just replace in equation 1, you will find the values of y as we did here. Is this clear? Mr. Okay, you watch the video. I'm sorry. Huh? What? The first one? Because y equal x power 2. But I couldn't solve it algebraically like this one. Why? Because it will be x power 4. We didn't take this idea yet. We will, so we use the graph. We use the graph to find the solution. The graph in your book, Okay, done. Fine. Now let's see example 6, please. We have time, right? How much time we have? 7 minutes. Let's do example 6. Example 6, guys. Yeah. In example 6, we have solved the following system. 2x power 2 minus y equals 4 and y equal negative half x power 2, right, plus 6. Here we have a quadratic and a quadratic, both a quadratic, right? Fine. Look at equation 2. Y, the value of y is ready, right? We can go here, replace this y by the value of this y here, right? To make the whole equation with x. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So here, this equation, I will call this equation 1, and I will call this equation 2, and I will substitute 2 in 1, right? So substitute 2 in 1. So let's go to equation 1. What it will be? 2x power 2 comes down, minus y, minus parentheses, and put the value of y in. اللي هي negative half x power 2 plus 6, all equal 4. All your variable now is x and power 2, so you can solve it normally. Now you need to simplify. First step, you need to distribute this negative inside the parentheses, and don't forget, if the negative comes inside, it changes the signs inside, right? So here you have 2x power 2 plus half x power 2 minus 6, all equal what? 4. Now 2 plus half, 2 and half, 2 and half x power 2. Do we have x? We don't have x. If you don't have x and you have x power 2 and number, no factoring, no quadratic formula. Completing the square, it's easy. Okay? So here, this will be, yeah, 2x power 2 plus half x power 2, 2.5 x power 2, right? Minus 6 equal 4. Shift the minus 6 here. 2.5 x power 2 equal 4 plus 6, 10. Divide by 2.5 both. So x power 2 will be what? صح? If x power 2 equal 4, then x equal plus minus square root of 4. Remember? So x equal plus minus square root of 4 means a plus minus 2. So we have two solutions for x. X equal 2 and x equal negative 2, right? Do you understand it? Do you understand it? Repeat what آخر إشي يا مستر? I shift, then divide, then I found x power 2, x equal plus minus. We took this idea before, right? Now, after you found your values of x, you need to find the values of y. Substitute in 2 because y here is ready. So here, if x equal 2, how much is y? If x equal negative 2, how much is y also? So here, if x equal 2, I will show what's y. The second equation, y equal what? أيوة. x power 2 minus 6 plus 6, right? طب if x equal 2, أيوة. If x equal 2, y will be negative half of 2 power 2 plus 6, negative 1 plus 6, 5. If x equal negative 2, y will be negative half with negative 2 power 2 plus 6, x equal 5 also, right? So we have two solutions here, 2 and 5 and negative 2 and 5. Done. Guys, here half of 4. So 4 هذول 4s مش 5s. I'm sorry. half of 4 negative 2 plus sorry minus 2 في minus هنا plus 6 4. So we have 4s here, and here also we have 4s. These are the two solutions. That's all for today. Your homework for here and online, guys, for today is which selection we did before? 1 3 5 7 9, right? Right. 10. Guys, in question 10, do we have y? No, just give me the values for x. So it's equation with variables on both sides. Put them on one side and solve. Shift and prepare. 10 حكينا. 14. And go down, down, down. Not down. In your book, it be in the next page. Page 204. 204. 20. 24. 20, 24, and 29. 29, 29, exact idea of this example. Y and 3y. You have y and 2y. See? Exact idea. Just revise it. Please watch the video and try to solve it. Yes, Sinister. Guys in the online, that's all for today. Thank you.